Blay Pibaro, Kinikilongi Kubor Bamdagasni. Ban Pentri kam yaka inaline permit Hajila Meghalaya Kanong Hasun, Katbaka ILP ha Arunachal Pradesh Kladap ya Chakman. Kani kadi kajingya kun kiseng bhalang ha Meghalaya banyo Pentri kam kamkloy na kaliang kilat pathai kubor. Habayo banyakran bat ulam pang kaying dorbar thawan kajila. Arunachal Pradesh upasang di sona ubadairu uchairman ka Commonwealth Parliamentary Association CPA India Region Zone ulayatho ba ka jilla Arunachal Pradesh kadang pentri kam ya ka ILP. Upasang uyatho ba ka ILP ha jilla Arunachal Pradesh kalongkum kasti yada ya ka jat benriu Arunachal Pradesh. Habayakran ILP kaladei ka anya daya ka jinglong tunrai jong ki jat bin riu Arunachal jaka namar kadon ka kendon kabate lakam ya kabala pentri kam da ka sarkar jilla shushu uyatho ka jingdon ka ILP hajila Arunachal Pradesh kadei kasti yada hoot kadon ru hangni hangtai ka jing bombit bombyang bat ki jinjar ki nongwan tang ba kam ta pat ya ka kam jingo kai perthai yathu upasang di sona henrei kadon pat kalat kalenti ban pensuk ya ki nongwan sha Arunachal Pradesh ban kentiu kerteng ya ka ILP ling ba ka online internet ban ong ba ka ILP ka pendu pendam bat wanra ka jingkem jingmun ka detang ka jingkren ban jingmut jing perkhat ka balingkon yathu udorji
double-edged sword, you know. When I say ILP is a double-edged sword, it could be because if there's ILP, there's a restrictions in the investments and all. Because see, if I'm an investor, if I want to come to a place, but when there's so many regulations, I might look in for some other places where there are less regulations. And at the same time, but when you talk about protecting the ethnicity, and the indigenous people, again, this ILP also comes into a very good, tool, to protect the local indigenous culture and the people. So it's a double-edged sword. If you want your identity and the culture and it to be restored, then you have to lose something on your investment front. And if you want the investment, then you have to lose something on your other thing. So it's a double-edged sword. So it's how you take it.
It has merits and demerits.
Obviously, it has merits. Now the world is changing. Like I said, and you don't need a thing to travel to a place. You can travel through internet. So anyway, but like I said, it's up to the government. You have to analyze, how it's going to benefit, when you implement the ILP.
So is there any thinking to remove?
We don't have anything in their mind to remove that because we are now, things are placed in such a way. People are also aware that there's ILP, so they get ready to come to Arunachal. We're seeking ILP, and we have eased the process by giving online ILP, and you can have it on the point of entry also. So there's not much of a problem, but it's a mental blockade. Now when you have to go and seek another permit to get into the state, so there's a little mental blockade thinking, oh, I have to go, then again seek, but things have been eased. You can do on your fingertip, just apply for your ILP online. You can get the ILP within hours and you can travel. There's only the mental blockade. You have to just take that out of your mind and everything is fine.